How to turn on sleep mode or quiet mode on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how you can add sleep mode on your Instagram account so that at that specific time your account will be shown as at a sleep mode to any other users. So for that, just open your Instagram account and go to your profile. When you go to your profile, on top right side, click on three horizontal lines. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option called notification. Just click on notifications. Now here there is option with quiet mode. Simply click on quiet mode. Now you have enabled quiet mode. If your account mode is disabled, now just click and turn it on. When you enable it, there is 2 points: start time and end time. Just select your sleep time. First click on start time and select here your start time. Let's was 9 p.m. Click OK. Then click on end time and let's probably select it 5 a.m. or we can go for 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Click on OK. So this is your sleep time 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Now you can select the days. It means which day you want to select for that specific sleeping time. Here just click on this and your days will be enabled or disabled. So here you can select all days and your time already is set. Now just go back and your sleeping time has been enabled. So this is the way you can add sleeping time for your Instagram, or you can set the quiet mode on Instagram.